and I got a colorful aura, like I got neon guts.
Hey guys, my name is Angelique, but on my socials I go by Celestial Ange, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a sewing tutorial for a one-sleeve glove dress. So if you want to find out how I made it, then keep on watching.
They never should have met up and gave me money, came straight out of Bama, now ain't fun. I swear all these be making me sick, like all they do is eat up some damn. Yeah, I'm in my prime though, they seeing me like it's a block. I can't let up on no, get in the booth and go loco. Cash out in London, just take me to sound.
Okay guys, so this is the fabric that I'm going to be using, and it's just some black sparkly fabric. Now I did have 2 yards of this, so I just cut it in half because I know I'm not going to need all that fabric to make the main part of the dress. So this is what I have right now. And the first step that we're going to do, just like my other dress tutorial, we're going to fold it in half and then fold it in half again. So fold it in half twice, and I'm going to show you guys what that looks like. This is my fabric folded in half once, and now I'm just going to pin it so that way it doesn't move, and then we're going to fold it in half again. Here are the pins. I just pinned it along this side because this is the only side that's open. This part is just regularly folded, and now I'm going to fold it in half again. Okay, so after I folded the fabric in half twice, I put my dress down, outlined it with some chalk, and now I'm just gonna finish cutting it, and then we can move on to the next step. This is what it looks like after I cut it, and now I'm just gonna open it up. Now we're just going to cut off one of the sleeves, and to do that we're just going to be cutting from this part to the other one. To do the sleeve, I found like a scrap piece of fabric that's skinny, and I'm gonna fold this in half again and then line it up here, and we're gonna start to do the sleeve. So I'm folding this in half and turning it over so that the part that opens where the fold is, that's gonna go right where this sleeve is. Okay, so this is the folded scrap fabric that I'm gonna use for the sleeve. It's okay that's a little wide because the sleeve isn't gonna be this big anyways. And try to line it up. And actually I think I'm gonna cut like this excess part off. But after I do that, then we're just gonna take it and literally like put it on top to see where it lines up, and you guys will see again in a minute. So I pinned it, and then I just traced where the armhole and the sleeve are gonna connect, and now I'm gonna put my long sleeve shirt on top of it and trace how long or how wide the sleeve is gonna be. I lined up my shirt sleeve with the fabric, and you're just gonna trace like underneath this half. Make sure to leave the part where it's folded, like keep that as the top. Don't cut this because we're gonna have to open it up. So just trace along underneath the half and then cut only underneath. Don't separate the fabric that's folded over. Okay, so I just cut it, and basically the top of this sleeve is a little bit long, so I'm just gonna cut it so that way it'll like even out. And then next we're just gonna be sewing the top and then along this side of the dress. Okay, so now I'm gonna start sewing, and we're gonna start with the top of the first sleeve, just sewing across this little part. So I'm gonna take that pin out. And start with the front stitch, and then I'm gonna do a back stitch. And now I'm just gonna sew right across. And then I just ended it with another back stitch. Now I'm just gonna sew down this side of the dress. Make sure my fabric is even. Okay, so now since I sewed this in the other half of the dress, I'm gonna be sewing the arm sleeve on now. And to do this, you're just gonna grab the inside and just like try to open it up, but the wrong side is still gonna be the part that we're sewing. So have like each corner of the armhole facing out, and then open this part of the sleeve. And we're gonna sew that together. So from like corner, and then this corner is gonna be sewed to that corner. So I'm gonna pin it. I turned the dress this way just so I could pin it a little bit better, but basically that's the sleeve right there. And I opened up the dress and pinned each corner to corner. So this is the first corner, and then I pinned the other corner on this side, and now I'm just gonna sew down like that. Now I'm gonna start sewing the sleeve to this armhole. So this is where I have the first corner pinned, and I'm gonna try to like slide it under there and get it as flat as I can. Okay, so now the sleeve and the dress are sewed together, and now we're just gonna sew the sleeve closed. So sew from here, and then we're gonna go straight down the other side of the dress, and that'll pretty much be it. So now we're just gonna sew this side of the dress. Okay, so I just pinned this sleeve so that way it's easier when I sew. But basically, same thing that I said, we're just gonna sew along the bottom and that side. Of course my camera died, but we're at the end anyway. So I just traced my hand, and then I'm gonna cut it out and sew it to the end of the sleeve.
All day long I'd biddy biddy bum if I were a wealthy man.
Just gonna start sewing the other half of the dress down. Make sure my thread is in the back. So now I'm just gonna hand sew the glove to the dress, making sure that this seam is to seam. Okay, so this is the dress after I turned it inside out. And I'm probably gonna have to cut it a little bit shorter because it's a little long, but yeah, after I cut the length, then that'll pretty much be it. So actually the last thing I'm gonna do is hem the top of the dress and the bottom just so it's a little bit neater and it looks completely finished, and then after that it's really done.
They never should've fucked up and gave me money. Came straight out of Bama, 9-8. I swear these be making me sick. Like all they do is eat up some.